Hi everyone. Today we will learn 8 parts of speech which are very essential to structure English sentence. So let's learn together. There are 8 parts of speech. First one is called noun, second is pronoun, third is verb, fourth is adverb, fifth is called preposition, sixth is adjective, seventh is interjection, and last is conjunction. Now we will learn each one by one with example. First is noun. Noun describes name of person, place or things. For example, teacher, Ali, cap, Lahore. Now let's read the example of noun. First one is Lahore is a beautiful city. In this example, Lahore is a noun because it is a place. Similarly, in the second example, Ali is going to market. Ali is a noun. Second, pronoun. Pronoun replaces the name of a person, place or thing. For example, I, he, they or it. Now let's read the example of pronoun. Ali is my very good friend and he is always help me. In this example, he is a pronoun. I am going to play cricket. In this example, I is a pronoun. Now let's talk about verb. Verb describes an action or experience. For example, run, drink, walk, sleep. These are verbs. Now let's read the example of verb. First example is John goes to school. In this example, goes is a verb. Similarly, Alina loves to cook food. In this example, cook is a verb. Next is adverb. Adverb gives more information about the verb and about how the action was done. For example, quickly, badly, slowly, or yesterday. Now let's read the example of adverb. First is my dog eats quickly. In this example, quickly is adverb. Second example is recently Asha enrolled in class 4. In this example, the word recently, it is adverb. Let's talk about preposition. Preposition describes the place, time or direction. It is used before a noun or pronoun. For example, to, in, under, during. Let's talk about example of preposition. First is we go to school. In this example, to is a preposition. This book is on the table. In this example, the word on, that is a preposition. Now let's talk about adjective. Adjective describes a noun or pronoun. For example, big, short, beautiful, old. Let's see the example of adjective. First is my dog is big. In this example, big is adjective. Similarly, the flower is beautiful. In this example, the beautiful is adjective. Next is interjection. Interjection expresses strong emotions and if often followed by an exclamation mark. For example, wow, oh, hey. Now let's read the example of interjections. First example is, oh no, I forgot that the exam was today. In this example, the words, oh no, these words are also denoted with the exclamation marks, is interjection. Similarly, in second example, wow, the view is amazing. In this example, the word wow, which is also denoted with the exclamation marks, is called interjection. The last is conjunction. Conjunction connects words, phrases, or classes in a sentence. For example, and, but, although, or. Now let's read the example of conjunction. The first example is I like to watch television and eating popcorn. In this example, the word and is conjunction. Second is Ali is very naughty boy, but his sister is not. In this example, the word but, that is called conjunction. We hope you like the video. Keep watching. Please do subscribe our channel. Stay blessed.